Well, good morning and welcome to Mount Tabor Meadows, Blacksburg's first green community. The home behind me is Blacksburg's first residential project to receive LEED certification. There's a lot of landscaping in and around this house. Everything you see in the yard is non-invasive, and the plants are almost 100% drought tolerant. Fiber cement siding is made locally. The brick is made locally. The concrete is all made locally. So we're not having to use a lot of energy to get them here, and it's good for our economy too as well. This is for solar hot water, but what we've also done too is made it readily available for them to put a photovoltaic PV system on this house. Over 80% of the lights are actually ENERGY STAR rated, and over the course of a year, you would save about over $600. One of the important things about a house that a lot of people don't realize is the indoor air quality. The flooring and the cabinets, they all have low VOC finishes, which is good for indoor air quality. The paints on the walls actually have 0 VOCs in them. Everyone likes to look at the cabinets and the countertops and the things like that. This is what Jason and I get excited about, because this to us is why our houses are so efficient. This is our mechanical room. So we got a lot of things going on in here. We use less lumber in the walls, which allows us for more insulation in the walls where we need it. We condition all of our basements even if they're unfinished, meaning that we insulate the entire exterior cavity, so we're creating a building envelope and everything's inside of it. We've got one system for this house. It's over 3,000 square feet, but we've got different zones that allow each floor to have its own thermostat. This is our hot water heater tank. Half of this tank is electric and the other half is run by the solar, so you still have hot water on cloudy days. The ductwork in here, there's some tape and then some white painted on stuff. The duct system's all sealed up completely and masticed and sealed. It shows what our company's trying to do with sustainability in the environment and the kind of house that we want to build.
When you have houses that aren't built very well and it takes a lot of energy to heat and cool them, think about how many homes are in the entire country, that's a lot of wasted energy. If you build a good shell and have a good envelope, a good building envelope, which is the entire perimeter of your house, floor, ceiling, walls, and everything, that heats and cools easily, you save a lot of money that way.
I think there's a misconception that a green home is a more expensive home, but I think for us, the overall cost of a home ownership has obviously been less here. I think also, not only is the house earth friendly, it's very family friendly.